Hey guys, how is everyone going lately? I got one of these guys in one of my videos asked me a question about my bike. My bike is a Yamaha FZ6R. He asked me how to set up the speedo and the light bar. I think he only said the speedo, but I'm going to also show the light bar. There is some stuff you have to put into it. You do not have to drill anything in. You don't have to do anything to your bike, like no wiring, no drilling holes. You don't have to do any of that stuff, and hopefully the light's alright, because this is my camera with a tripod. It's really heavy, and yes, it's difficult sometimes, but this is the FZ6R. I did show a video before, and I did ask you guys if there's any problems or any guys with this bike out there with the fairings and everything, because this is a Streetfighter modification. So with that video, I asked if there's any problems or any time, guys, ask me and I'll do a video, and this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna get right to it. So you got your speedo, you got your light bar. You can choose any headlight you want. And the thing I'm about to do, guys, because you can see here you got cords and all that, and like there is no way you can get rid of these cords. So right now what I'm gonna have in this video is this sight. So with this sight, guys, I'm planning to buy these two light bars with a sweet bracket. So I'm going to buy these two light bars with these two nice brackets, and with these brackets and with these two light bars, it's going to cover all my cords and all the messy stuff. So it's the same size about this light bar. So I'm going to have this light bar here and then this light bar here, and it's just going to cover everything. Okay, and so I'm going to show you with the speedo now. So with the speedo, you got two screws. You got this screw over here. It's right underneath your keyhole, right underneath your bars and everything. So when you take all your fairings off, you got the speedo to put on. So with the speedo, because a lot of people don't do videos about this, like there's no one who tells you how to put the speedo on. I had to do it myself. So you got another screw hole. Got another screw hole there. I need to practice on my English. And you got these brackets. Okay, with these brackets, you go to your local hardware store. For Australia, it's Bunnings Warehouse. I went to Bunnings Warehouse, my local hardware store, and bought two angle brackets. I'm just going to move my my strap over with my camera. You get angle brackets. They're on an angle because they're called angle brackets. The thing you have to do, if you can find some straight brackets, go for some straight brackets, but you've got to make sure you have a big enough hole to screw in your speedo. Okay, so you get two of your brackets from the brackets you get and buy, and you can decide what you want to do with the brackets. Do you want the speedo to come closer towards you, or do you want it flatter? If you have it flatter, you're going to see everything here where my arm is right now. Okay, if you have it closer, you eliminate all that. Okay, and the thing you can do too, if you want to blend it in, buy some paint, what you would do for a tank, buy some spray cans, some glossy stuff, some clear coat, and just spray it, and it will match to your bike. Okay, it's up to you what you want to do, but with these holes, okay, these holes here, with those holes there, okay, with the screws and all that, and the nuts, yes, the nuts, legit, you're replacing the bracket holder. Okay, I found it. Okay, this bracket holder, okay, this bracket holder, you see there's two holes. Okay, legit, that's where, so if you take off all your fairings, you're gonna have this where your dash is. You're gonna have that. Okay, you're replacing this with your speedo. The reason they have this is to make sure your cords don't move, but Every time I've been riding this bike, I have no problems at all without the bracket, okay? So it legit goes under here, you take it off and move. I can't believe I did that. I'm sorry. But with these screws, you simply take it down, okay? And then you put the bracket up and then screw it in, and then you got all these screws. You can get a cover from the FZ6R, I think it's called, XJ, and you can get a cover and all that. It's up to you. But I'm not going to get a cover, I'm not going to bother. But with all these screw holes, you decide, you screw it in and you're done. Now you got the light bar. With the fork seals, they're 41 between 42. 41 and 42. So you got to get brackets what are 41 and 42. Between them, like millimeters, like double M. Okay, you get them, you screw it in, you get a light bar of your choice, screw it in, or any headlight what fits, okay? And then you screw it in and plug it in to your headlight assembly and all that. Plug and play, no problems. And if the light bar doesn't have the plug and play system, then you got to go for something else. Or you can wire it yourself into the plug itself. Okay. You do have like the horn here. You can like take off the horn if you want to. But with the sights I have with the light bars I'm planning to get, if you decide to get that, guys, it's from Canada, I think. But if you do decide to go for that, guys, it's the best bet. It's going to be the best for you. I haven't tried it, so don't go for it if you don't feel like it's going to work out. But with me, it's going to work out. It's a plug and play system, and I'm going to use these two light bars, and it's going to have low beam and high beam. With the light bar I have, okay, it only has high beam. It doesn't have low beam, and that's illegal. Okay, it's too bright, and yeah, I feel sorry for those drivers who went past with a freaking high beam light bar constantly on at night. Okay, it's Fire Rides talking now. If you do enjoy this video, guys, like and subscribe. It helps me out, and it just makes me release more videos for you guys. And if you want to see more videos of this bike, and I'm trying to do more motovlogging, but I've got to come up with something. I'm trying to figure out something for you guys, and hopefully you're enjoying the compilations and etc. I do like doing those. It's pretty good. And if you have a FZ6R, hopefully this helped you out. If you need more information, I'll keep on helping you guys out, okay? Anytime, like this dude, he commented, and I listened to him, and I was like, okay, sure, I'll do it. Like, in my free time, like, I'll do anything for you guys. Like, anything, any problems, ask me, and I'll do it. I'll do it for you guys. Depends on what thing it is. And if you're been here for ages and helping out the channel, even if you're new to the channel, I do have a Discord. It's going to be in the description below. Everything's going to be in the description below, like the light bars and the brackets, what I'm about to get. If you want the same stuff what I have right here, I'll put it down as well. And with the brackets, you can just buy that at your hardware store. Use a hammer to hammer it straight, decide what you want to do. And then from there, you're set. If you have a FZ6R, you're set. Ride your Streetfighter. Have a great time. Do any more stuff. If you want me to show you anything else what I did to my bike, check the other videos out. And yeah, that's it. Stay safe, guys, with your health and safety this coronavirus time. I'll see you guys in the next time. See ya.